How you guys doing? Happy Sunday. Today we're making some smothered cube steak, some smashed red potatoes, some roasted carrots. Just some comfort cooking today. Easy peasy. So I just cut up probably 6-7 red potatoes, cubed them up, got them in some water with some salt, bring them to a boil. Just got this family size pack of cube steak. All right, so we got some flour here. Gonna add some onion powder. This is all for the dredge. Garlic powder. A good tablespoon of each. Smoked paprika. Happy to see you guys. And salt and pepper, of course. Pepper. Salt. We're gonna get our heavy pot going. I'm going to add some vegetable oil, a quarter of a cup, and some butter. About 4 tablespoons. That melted. So we're just gonna dredge the steaks in the flour and put to the side because they're gonna go right from this pan into that oil over there. All right, we're gonna bring these over and get a nice sear on each side. You don't have to cook these all the way through because once we do each one, then we're going to take it out. We're going to get the onions and everything going and then get the gravy going. Then we're going to put that right back in there. There's 5 of us, so I do a good amount of them, and then I like to have leftovers or in case somebody, family stops over. We're getting there. All right, I'm going to do 2 onions. I'm going to make a nice little gravy once those steaks are done searing. I'll show you guys how to do that. And then we'll get steak back into the pot and we'll simmer it. And we'll work on some red carrots. Woo, there's some strong onions. Let me sear it up. All right, 2 onions, nicely sliced. Steaks out, last 2 going in. Oh, this smells heavenly. And the bottom of this pot has some good little crusties called fond. We're going to leave that in there because we're going to get a lot of flavor up out of there. I have some non-alcoholic wine that I'm going to use to deglaze the pan. It's going to bring up all those bits. Show you when we do that. Some Worcestershire sauce. I got some onion soup mix. We're going to add into that some beef broth. It's going to be so good. And this dish is inexpensive. So that's to the side quick. We still got a good amount of fat in the bottom of that pot. Now we're going to take our sliced onions, those down in there, get a good sear. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking. Let me bring that over and show you guys. Smells so good. Real quick peek. Look at that. Oh, see the fond at the bottom of that? Do not get rid of that. That's flavor. Pepper, salt, oh yeah. We're going to add a pack of the onion soup mix right to the onions. We're gonna add this, and we're gonna add our flour. Potatoes come to a boil. Get the lid off. Amazing. All right. Now I'm gonna add tablespoons of this flour that we used to dredge. Show you one more time. Hey. All right, now we're gonna deglaze. Going to add about a third of a cup of that red wine. About 5 dashes of the Worcestershire. Show ya. Look at that. Get the beef broth in there. Get that heat going. I'm about to get them back in the pot with the gravy and the cooked onions. They can do their thing and simmer. Get them in there, swimming in all their juices. Oh yeah, it's gonna be tasty. Cut these up just like this on a diagonal, little slices. We're roast season them, roast them up. Gonna be tasty. I'm just going to toss the carrots, a little bit of olive oil. Here you go, Bella. Some salt and pepper. Bella got a treat. Good amount of salt. Bring out all the natural flavors. Some pepper. Some garlic powder. And some onion powder. All the same seasonings that we did for the gravy. Mix up. Spread it out. Pop these bad boys in the oven, 425. Do their thing. Straight into the hot pot. I like to add the butter. We'll start melting. Butter I already had out at room temperature. I usually keep all my butter out at room temperature. That way, if I just decide like, hey, I'm gonna bake something, and most recipes call for room temperature butter anyways. So I'm gonna start with one stick of butter. Going to add about half a cup of sour cream. See how it's looking in there. Might add some potatoes back in there. Let me show you. Some red potatoes. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy is going on today. Just some comfort cooking. All right. Get a good amount of salt in there. Gonna add some garlic powder. We're gonna take some frustration out. I got these pots, new pots and pans for my birthday. They're the hex clad ones. I love them. It's nice because you can use metal inside of them. You don't have to worry about it chipping up into your food. All right, let's give this a stir. See how it tastes. See what it needs. I think it's pretty good. I don't think it needs anything else. Great, we get this plated up. Show you guys how it's looking. Thanks for joining me on your Sunday. I appreciate it. You know what? We get two of these little guys. Make sure you get some onions in there. Onions, carrots, and I'm going to finish it with some parsley. Just give it a little bit of green. All right, how's the look? Delicious. Voila! Some smothered cube steak, some roasted carrots, some tasty red potatoes. Got yourself a yummy Sunday dinner. That's all I got for you today. I'm going to get everybody plated up. We're going to enjoy our dinner. Thanks for joining. I'll see you next time. Bye!